Hey there, tech explorers. Today we are tackling a super quick and easy topic: how to log out of the Qwenlm.ai. Maybe you are switching accounts, wrapping up for the day, or just want to be extra secure whatever the region. First things first, let's go to Qwenlm.ai's homepage. Tap on enter. You can notice here I'm on the main Qwenlm.ai interface. Yours should look similar if you have logged in. Now the magic spot where we are looking for is usually up here. See this icon? It might be your profile picture or a generic avatar. Got it? Great. Now tap on it and you can see three options over here. You can see an option for logout. It's over here. Now tap on logout. Boom, just like that you are logged out. You might be taken back to the login page or the main Qwenlm.ai website. See, super easy, right? It's always a good practice to log out when you are done using your website, especially you are on a shared computer. Now it's your turn. Try logging out yourself and then come back and let me know in the comments. If you had any troubles, we are here to help. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next video.